Want a GIF like this as your Stream Deck background? Or maybe this one? How about this? Let's do this quickly with this awesome tool. Select your Stream Deck model. You'll need the exact GIF size for your model. You can resize or crop your favorite GIF using tools like easygif.com. Select your GIF file. Then, just click the Upload GIF button. All the sub-GIFs will be available for download, one GIF per button. Open your Stream Deck software and create a new profile. Add the Change Profile action under Navigation to all buttons, and point each one to your main profile. You can simply copy and paste the action. Double-click to load the correct GIF onto the selected button. In this case, row 2 and column 4, rows and columns are 0 indexed. If this was useful for you, don't forget that your support really helps improve this tool.